My name is Lieve Helse. I'm from the University of Leuven, also called the KU Leuven. We mainly focus on a further extension of model predictive control. It's an optimal control strategy that you can see as a system integrator of the whole system, the whole cluster of buildings. And we develop it further such that we can apply it to a cluster of buildings, which is replicable to other clusters. We also use that MPC in a new strategy we developed for optimally sizing the energy system components such that we minimize both the investment cost and the operational cost. Since we have done the replication already in the project, we can set up a kind of strategy how to cope with this. I'll look into different ways to do it, and depending on the context, make a kind of a decision tree what to choose in which context. So the pilot we use in Seeds is an historic city center. It's a small cluster, but it is in a heritage context. And this means we have a lot of constraints. So it is a quite challenging context we're working in now in the project. So it means if we can illustrate that it is working for this specific case, the replication will be quite straightforward because we have shown it in the most challenging case. We address quite some challenges in this Seeds project. The first one is that we want to optimize the hydraulic circuit of the whole energy system. Then we extend the MPC algorithm for the optimal control. A third challenge is that we develop a novel strategy to optimally size components in the energy system, where we want to minimize the total cost, so not only the operational cost, but also the investment cost. A fourth challenge is that we finally will come up with a kind of strategy for fault detection. And then finally, we want to replicate all this in a second use case, also already in the project. I would say we all have to move to a systemic approach. We all have to quit the silo-based thinking. I think that's the core.